So as you can see, guys, we've started pushing away from the dock. So we're officially underway. If the muster drill goes correctly and everybody does as they should, it's not normally long between muster drill and sail away. And here's the view outside of our side balcony for the stateroom. One of my favorite things about sail away is if there are areas where people can congregate and wave to the ships as they pull away. I absolutely love that. It happens in Miami. They all line up along this rocky area and wave the ships away. And they do it here in Tampa. It's pretty cool. I love that. All right, guys, we're officially underway. Catch you later, Wanderers. Bye.